I'm Shane. I've been here at NED Columbia for about a year now, or a little over a year actually. I'm a shop technician. I have collectively been a mechanic for about 6 years professionally. So on this specific machine, this is a vandalism machine that we had. A couple kids crashed it. Currently changing the radiator, oil cooler and air charge cooler out, and the cage for it. It's going to get a new hood, a new boom, and some new fenders, and a couple other things. We had to remove the hood. It was all mangled up first. Then after that, you could take the top portion of this cage off, and then you have to take the side off, and then you can remove the air charge cooler, and then the radiator and the oil cooler. So this piece was also dented. We had to straighten it out, and we're gonna paint it. We're also gonna have to replace the rear harness due to being pinched by the hood. To replace the rear harness, you have to open the back hatch up, remove the light harness, the hood lift harness, and the air conditioning. To replace the boom, we're gonna have to remove the bucket, and then you have to remove several hydraulic cylinders, and then pull the old boom off and install the new boom, put the cylinders back on, and reinstall the bucket and all the hydraulic lines and any sensors and stuff that's up there. And then once we're done, it's gonna look like a brand new machine again. Make NED your first choice for all your service and sales needs.